Hello everyone, I'm Steve Savant, host of the Business Insurance Zone, and today I'm with Outlook Life's Peggy Mace. Hey Peggy, how you doing today?
I'm doing good.
We're talking today about divorce and life insurance. Wow, that sounds like an incongruent statement. But divorce, people get divorced and they go, what do I do with my policies? How do I go forward? And it has a lot to do with ownership, and are you in a community property state or are you in a non-community property state? When you talk about divorce, you get calls in all the time. What do I do now? I'm divorcing. What do I do with my policy?
Right. What do I do with my policy? And a lot of times people are ordered to get a life insurance policy as part of a divorce settlement. That tends to be more the kind of questions we get. In that situation, we have a couple of no exam policies that go into effect really quickly. And a lot of time the judges don't really want to wait a month to a year to get their policy in effect. So at Outlook Life, that's kind of where our gist usually is that we can help people with all types of health problems get the amount they need to settle their divorce settlement and take care of their children. You know, they don't want to leave their family without. The ownership part, I'm just going to let you elaborate on that a little bit more.
A lot of times ownership is going to be a problem because if I own my policy and my spouse owns her policy, when we divorce, we just walk with it. But if I have to do things like take care of the children and so forth, and something happened to me, I could drop my policy, I could reassign the beneficiary to my new person or whatever.
Yeah.
So it's really critical to me, especially to sometimes, if I'm going to write it and I'm at the beginning of a marriage or I'm with a brand new opportunity to sell life insurance, I always want to place life insurance where each spouse owns each other. So in the worst scenario, and of course I'm not planning for that, but in the worst scenario, then we can walk and there'll still be coverage for each spouse, especially when you think about it. Today, most homes are predicated on two incomes.
Yes,
so it's
absolutely.
very, very important to make sure that there's solid, equal face amounts as well as cross ownership.
Oh, good point. Yes.
So we're talking about, again, divorce and life insurance. And if you're going through a divorce, or maybe you've already been through the divorce,
right,
or you're looking back and saying, hey, listen, I'm ready to marry again. Those three episodes you want to look at: ownership of life insurance. You want to look at, especially if you're court ordered, you definitely want to do that.
Yeah,
absolutely. You definitely want to do that. And so
Yes.
next time you look at it, and remember that when you're thinking about these ideas of life insurance and divorce, always think about who will suffer the loss if that person isn't there.
Good point.
Okay.
And think about Outlook Life, because we'll be there for you.